Welcome back to my channel guys, and today we will be creating this chromatic trail effect inside After Effects. So let's get started. This is my footage that I will be using. The first step is I will be duplicating it, and let's rename it to Roto Main. And now I will select the Roto Brush tool and start rotoscoping out my subject. I will fast forward it. Okay, so now once you're done with the rotoscope, hit freeze frame. Okay, let's check how is it. Looks pretty good. You take your time while doing this rotoscope. Now I will adjust the roto brush settings. I will increase the feather. Now I will duplicate my rotoscope layer 3 times, and then I will drag my roto main layer to the top, and let's rename my each layer red, blue, green. Now let's add our effect. The first effect that we will be adding is shift channels. So drag and drop it into our red layer. Let's turn off our green channel and blue channel off. Now copy the shift channel and paste it to our blue, and then we will repeat this process. This time I will be turning off my red channel and then turning on my blue channel. After you're done with the shift channel, we will offset the timing of our red, green and blue layer. Now let's add echo effect. We will keep the echo time by default, and then I will change the number of echoes to around 4 to 5, and let's decrease our decay to around 0.60 to 0.70, and then copy the echo effect and then paste it to our blue and green layer. Okay, so we are almost there to achieve our effect, but the edges are looking too sharp. So to remove the sharpness, we will add another effect, Gaussian blur. Let's keep the value to around 18 to 20 and uncheck the repeat H pixels. Now our chromatic trail effect is ready. So if you want to add some other extra effects, you can add glow. Which I'm doing it right now. Also, you can add noise and curves effect to blend the effect more effectively. Hope you like this tutorial. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you like this content. Have a nice day.